Hola YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am Beauty by Linoria across all of my social media platforms. Go ahead and thumbs up this video. Go ahead and share it amongst your family, friends, and co-workers. Go ahead and get a conversation started with me in the description box below. But this is, by the title you already guessed, this is a high-end luxury haul. This is the type of haul you wait for sales, you make your little list, and you wait for a sale, and the minute that sale comes, you snatch up your items because these items are definitely going to set you back a paycheck or two. So if you're ready to go ahead and get into this haul, let's go. You're my beauty one taking me home. One thing really lead to one. Now, the first item we have coming in is coming in from MAC Cosmetics. And with MAC, they released some new foundation shades. And that's the reason why I went ahead and chose this, because as you guys know, in MAC, I'm typically NC 45. In the summertime, I'll mix a little NC 50 in it, but boom, they came out with NC 46. And when I tell you this is spot on for you, girl, spot on. Spot on. And of course, this is a Studio Fix Fluid with SPF 15. When I tell you this is spot on for me, this is so spot on for me. The swatch is from another previous video, but spot on. When I say a perfect match for me, a perfect match. So I was just like, thank you, MAC. So I no longer have to go get Prolong Wear, Studio Fix, and all of these different ones in 2 shades. So I'm always having to spend between $60 and $70 in whatever line I'm buying from MAC. I can now just get this one and be done with it. So girls, if you're like me and you normally are NC 50, no, I'm sorry, NC 45 with a smidgen of NC 50, and especially in the summertime when you start to tan and you need that little bit more deepness to your actual complexion, and NC 47 definitely did not work out for you, because for me, I'm thinking NC 47 would work for me in the summertime. Girl, it was a hot mess. It didn't work. The next item that's coming in, this is the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in Top with Brandy. You guys have seen this one before. I don't know what I was thinking on the website. I don't know why I ordered one that I already have. So I'm going to have to take this one back to the MAC counter and switch it out for a different shade. I also went ahead and got their Lip Hydrant Conditioner. It's a white box, so it's going to be kind of drowned out a little bit. But this is what it looks like. And I've heard a lot of people say that this was a good lip moisturizer above my Laneige sleeping mask, outside of my Fresh Sugar lip balm. This is gonna have to be a pretty good one. It smells like, it has like a pina colada, it has a very light pina colada smell to drown out the smell of petroleum. But, you know, hey, it may work. And, of course, with MAC, they went ahead and gave me a free strobe cream that I got from them, the travel size. And also, they did go ahead and give us a free bag when we were ordering online. Of course, I ordered this during the holiday time. So, this is part of their holiday collection. So, I did get a free bag. Why does it feel like something's in here? Oh, nothing. It's just a silica package. Oh, since we're talking about this, let me tell you something. Wherever you store your eyeshadows, when you get these inside, these little silica packets, these little gel silica packets, when you get these in, like in your shoes, and bags, and purses, and your clothes, when you have all these products and stuff shipped to your house, keep these. Put these inside whatever container or wherever you normally store your eyeshadows. This will help keep that area fresh and also absorb moisture, and it'll make your actual eyeshadows last longer. That's for any powder products, whether it's your bronzers, your blush, your highlighters, eyeshadows. I typically throw these in with my eyeshadow drawer, just something so you guys know. But this was a free gift with purchase. MAC always does really cute gifts with purchases. So that's part of the haul coming in from MAC. And that's going to be the cheapest thing, because from here it's just It's a hot mess. It's a hot mess. Y'all need to come get me. I have a makeup addiction. This is a hot mess from Sephora. And I went ahead and got the Marc Jacobs see-quins, and this is in Topaz Flash. When I say these are some of the prettiest, these, Tarte has the chroma paint pots. Ulta Beauty has their version. There are quite a few versions of these out there. But Marc Jacobs, his is just stunning. And they're soft. That is an eyeshadow that you can just put on and just go. Literally, just put that across your lid and blend it into your actual crease with whatever your actual bronzer color is, and boom, go. When I tell you, these things stay and last, and they will stay with you all day. I did a 24-hour wear test with a foundation that I was trying out, and I had this on, and when I tell you, I woke up the next morning, this thing didn't smudge, didn't move, didn't do anything. I was like, Marc Jacobs, that's why we pay you the big bucks, huh? Next thing that I got from Sephora, this is the Tatcha bestseller set. All of these items I got in December prior to Christmas. I got them right after when they was having the after Black Friday sales in the beginning part of December. Again, my family got sick, so I really wasn't able to get these hauls out for you guys earlier. I definitely want to go ahead and apologize for that. But if they still have it available on the site, get it. But this is the Tatcha bestseller set. And this one comes with the Pure One Step Camilla Cleansing Oil. This is the Rice Polish Classic, which is an excellent face cleaner. It does exfoliation on your face. Sensitive, like very low. Not anything harsh or hard for your face. They have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, which I use after my skincare. I'm an oily girl, so I can't be using anything like that to actually set my makeup. It won't work for me. And of course, the Tatcha Water Cream, which is a really great moisturizer that I use at night before I go to bed. This is your set. And inside the actual set, what you guys actually get is your normal Tatcha presentation, which of course is always going to be simply stunning and beautiful. I love the way they present their products. To give you a little product sheet to give you a little bit more information, and here's what you guys will get. So I absolutely love and adore that. And that's what we got in from Sephora, a YouTuber who has started her own company and brand. We know and love her for the way she can slay the hell out of some wigs. When I tell you, this girl slays the hell out of wigs, I literally want her to make me a wig. I want to reach out to her and see if it's possible that she can actually get me a wig done. But this is the Red Fairy on both Instagram and also YouTube. I'll leave her information linked below. But her name is Laurasia, Andrea. I may be pronouncing that wrong. I'm so sorry. But she is so beautiful and she's so talented. But she came out with her own lashes. And when I tell you, when she first launched, they sold out the day of. And my silly butt had slept a little too late. And by the time I woke up, everything on her website was sold out. Everything. I was like, so I waited on the restock. And when it restocked, I went ahead and grabbed 4. Now, the lashes that I have on now, doing the most. Doing the most. These are the Raven lashes. And that's what they look like. The next set of lashes that I actually got, these are going to be the Ntyceeing. No, I'm sorry. I'm so stupid. These are the Ntyceeing lashes. If you don't like dramatic, full, fluffy lashes, baby, this ain't for you. These are for the ones that really love some stacked, full, fluffy, hairy lashes that just caterpillar without looking like you about to fly off like you lamb chops or something. And the next set that I actually got in was Natalie. Natalie is still full and fluffy, but a little bit more on the natural side for me. This will be something that I will wear as far as an everyday lash. When I'm trying to do the most, I want to do the most. And the last one that I got in, these are Nita. And Nita are just beautiful. Look at that little fluffy caterpillar, those two little caterpillars. I swear to God, one of the days, one of them gonna get stuck to my husband's pillow or something, and he gonna haul off and like destroy one of my lashes. I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be real, real mad. But guys, she is amazing. She is very informative with wigs and hair coloring. And these lashes are beautiful. This is the most glamorous presentation I've seen of any brand. It's like fake snake skin. Is red and gold, red and rose gold with the little gold tabs with all her information. Of course, marketing is everything. She put all of her social media on the actual back for the actual company. So that is amazing. I definitely absolutely adore and love that. And the last thing that we're going to talk about, Pat McGrath. She had a sale for like almost 2 months, a 25% off sale for almost 2 months. So me being who I am, I went ahead and took advantage and grabbed some of her new items and some of items that I've had in my cart that I just kept looking at. So we're going to go over this pretty quickly for you guys, so this way you guys can actually see it. The first one we're going to go over is the Mothership 2 Sublime. This is the eyeshadow palette. And you guys know Auntie Pat. Let's not break it before I can show it to you. But here it is. It's heavy. It's luxurious. It's the reason why these eyeshadow palettes are $125 a piece. So when Auntie Pat does a sale or sends out a promotional discount code, trust and believe you want to go ahead and take advantage of that. Or you can go ahead and pay the full price. I've never paid full price for the eyeshadow palettes. I always wait on a sale to actually come. And this is going to be her new blitztrance lipstick. And I got the shade Flesh Fatale 072. Her boxes are so pretty. See the glitter? And it's a flat glitter, not a flaky glitter. And then her packaging. Can we get into her packaging? Her packaging is just unique things. You see that? Pet out here for the kids. It's a metallic, but it still keeps that. Excuse my nails. I need to redo them. And I also went ahead and picked up 2 of her lip glosses. These are both her lip gloss, and I got the shade Gold Allure. And I also went ahead and got the shade Dare to Bear. Gold Allure is a very pretty one with sparkles in it. It's creamy and milky, but it's gold with sparkles in it. And then the actual Dare to Bear is a nude pink with a gold shift. That's that one. With it's a nude pink with a gold shift. See how it goes gold? But it's nude with just a little bit of pink. And this is the gold one. The gold one is beautiful. And they all smell like cupcakes. That gold is simply stunningly beautiful. I don't know why everything in this video has been about food or me wanting food. And that is it for the haul, guys. Again, hopefully you've been able to make your list, especially with these high-end luxury items, so that way you are able to go ahead and take advantage of discounts when they come along. But again, thank you so much for spending your time with me. And again, I don't care when you're watching me, morning, afternoon, evening, on your lunch break, late at night. I'm just happy that you decided to come spend some time with your girl and hang out with me. If for nothing else, laughing at my silly butt with all the stuff that I be doing. But again, thank you so much, YouTube. And until next time, you have a beautiful evening.